Okay, so on this one we're going to flash our external corner details. You can see on this example we've got the skylight, so of course there are 4 external corners to deal with, and he's just removing the excess membrane that is higher than the actual upstands themselves. We don't need those, and he's just making some marks now on each corner so he knows where to put the Quick Prime Plus. Next thing to do, of course, is apply the Firestone Quick Prime Plus to all 4 corners. Okay, so now we're in a position where we can start to apply the Quick Seam SA flashing. We're just making sure that we've got the right size section of flashing to apply to the Quick Prime Plus. Remove the backing paper, of course, and we'll place it in position. This particular tape does not shape or mould in any way, but we need to just keep it taut as we apply it around the corner. Also note that the tape itself is not quite at deck level, it's about 15 to 20 mil just off the surface of the roof. Finish off with a silicone roller and remove any excess tape at the top of the upstand. And then of course all we need to do is repeat the procedure for the following 3 corners. Once we've applied the Quick Seam SA flashing to all 4 corners, we need to get our Quick Seam corner flashing patches, temporarily apply them to the areas so we can make some crayon marks, and of course this provides us with an indication where to put the Quick Prime Plus. Make sure that when you're applying the Quick Prime Plus it goes everywhere, we don't leave any spaces or any streak marks. Especially get right down into the angle changes where the membrane on the roof meets the upstand. Once the primer is actually tacked off sufficiently, we're in a position to get hold of the patch and remove the backing paper and place it in position. We're going to apply it to the upstand walls first. So the patch is almost at deck level. Attach it to one side and then to the other, and then gently form it into position down at the deck level. This tape is 100% uncured, which means that we can actually shape it and form it however we wish. Finish off with the rollers, silicone roller, working from the centre of the patch going outwards. This will reduce the possibility of any air pockets or blisters within the tape. And of course the important penny roller right down at the angle change, again working from the centre of the disc going outside.